Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ally Bank for cash management and investing prep. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Ally Bank. Once you locate the Ally Bank app, tap on it to view more details. Press the download or install button to start the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Ally Bank app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app for the first time. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to begin the account setup process. If you already have an Ally Bank account, select the option for existing customers. If you're new to Ally Bank, choose the option to create a new account. Fill in your personal information as requested, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the app's requirements. Read through and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, verify your identity by providing any additional necessary information. This may include your social security number and date of birth. Once you complete the identity verification, you may be asked to link an external bank account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account for easy transfers. After establishing your account and linking your bank, navigate to the cash management section. Explore the options available for managing your cash, including high-yield savings and checking accounts. If you're interested in investing, locate the investment section within the app. Review the tools and features designed for investment preparation. Take advantage of any educational resources provided to help you learn more about investing. Once you're comfortable, set your investment goals and preferences. Follow the instructions to complete any additional steps to start investing. Now you're ready to manage your cash and investments through the Ally Bank app. Take some time to explore all the features available to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.